Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to start chapter number 16, playing with numbers. So as you know that before midterm exam we had completed our chapter number 13, that is direct and inverse proportion. After that chapter number 14 and 15 still left, but those chapters are too large, so directly we are doing chapter number 16. It's a very short chapter, so it's a very small chapter. So after completing chapter number 16, we are going to do chapter number 14, that is factorization, and then after completing 14 chapter factorization, we are going to do the chapter number 15, that is graph, introduction to graph. Clear? So don't think that the teacher, we are not going to do the 14th and 15th. We will do, but before that we are going to do the chapter number 16. So here in chapter number 16, what is the name of the chapter is playing with the numbers. So student, here we are going to play with the numbers. We have to think of a numbers and we have to find it. Okay. So the name of the chapter is playing with the number. Chapter 16, class 8, NCERT Maths books we are doing over here. So no definition will be there in this chapter. So directly we are starting exercise 16.1. Okay. So here exercise 16.1, question number 1, first 3a 25 and here b 2, we have to add them. So what the question number 1 says? Question number 1, it is said that find the value of the letters in each of the following and give reason for the step involved. We have to give the reason for that. So that reason we are not going to give as we are doing directly the steps over here. Okay. So here it is said that you have to put a value of a in such a way that the value of a should be added with 5 in order to get the 2. Isn't it? मतलब a के प्लेस में एक ऐसा नंबर रखना है जिसको ऐड करने पर 2 आना चाहिए, 12 आना चाहिए. ठीक है, मतलब उसके वंस के प्लेस वैल्यू पर आपको 2 आना चाहिए. ओके. सो हियर सपोज इन प्लेस ऑफ a we are going to put 7. So as you know that what the number 7 is, 7 plus 5 will be 12, isn't it? 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 will be here, one's place 2. Okay, 1 will be carry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? So what is the value of b we will get? The value of b we will get as 6. Clear to everyone? So therefore the value of a is equals to 7 and the value of b is equals to 6 we will get. Isn't it? In the same way we have to think of the second number. What is the second question we are having? In the second question we are having as 4a 9a plus CB3. Okay, this is the number. So, with the 8, what should be added? With 8, okay, what the number should be added with 8 in order to get in one's place value, it should be 3 or 2 tens की place value में कोई और number आ सकता है. Okay, so when we are going to add 4 plus 8 is 12. So one's की place value, in that one's place value 2 is coming. So we are not going to take that number. If we are going to increase that number 5 plus 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is coming, isn't it? So in place of one's place value 3 is coming and 10's place value 13 is coming. So 3 is here and we will give 1 carry. So it can be done as in place of a we are going to keep 5. 5 plus 8 is coming 13. 1 will be given carry. Now 5 plus 1 10, 10 plus 14 will be 50, isn't it? 9, 10 and plus 1 14. So here. So what is the value of b we will get? The value of b we will get as 4 and the value of c we will get as 1. Clear to everyone? मीन्स आपको सोचना है कि ऐसा क्या नंबर वहाँ पर पुट करें कि वो नंबर जो आपका आंसर में है वो नंबर आना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसके सामने वंस प्लेस वैल्यू पर कोई और नंबर आ सकता है लेकिन टेंस के प्लेस वैल्यू पर वही एक नंबर आना चाहिए. ठीक है ना. इन द सेम वे द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो 1a into a. So what the number should come in place of a in order to get multiply, isn't it? So here we can see that 1 into 1 is 1 itself. If you will give 1, 1, 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, but 9 is here. We have to see the number 9. 9 is here. So we have to bring this 9. According to this 9 we have to do, is it? 8 should become, isn't it? So here 1 we cannot take, 3 into 3 9, 9 we cannot take, 4 into 4 16 we cannot take, 5 into 5 25, where 1's place value 5 is coming. Suppose if we are going to keep in place of a as 5, so 5 into 5 25, 2 carry 1, 5 into 5 5, 5 6 7, 7 is coming, but here in this question it is 9 is present, so we cannot take 5 also. Next is 6 into 6 is 36, isn't it? So 6 into 6 is 36, 6 is here, 3 will be carried, 1 6 are 6 plus 3 9, so here 9 is coming, so it is correct. So in this way you have to multiply A and C. So we can, in place of A we can substitute as 6, because 6 into 6, again 6 is coming in place of A, both the value should be 3, value of A should be same, isn't it? So here it is same, 3 is carried, when 6 will be multiplied with 1, 6 will come, 6 will be added with 3, it will become 9. So 9 plus 9 is, according to this we have to put. You can say, you can ask me, teacher, why we are not going to put 1? 1 is also in play, 1 into 1, 1 is only coming, isn't it? 5 into 5, 25 is coming, 1's place value. See student, if we are going to multiply 5 with the 5, 5 is coming. But when you are going to multiply, here we want 9. In place of 7, we want 9. That's why. While multiplying 5 plus 2, 7 is coming. Now 9 नहीं है. 9 जबकि हमको क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि यहाँ पर 9 की वैल्यू आना चाहिए. यहाँ पर जो वैल्यू है वो 9 ही आना चाहिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन और पावर को ऐड करने पर. That's why we cannot take this 5 and 1. Clear to everyone? Doing the same, next question. Next question we are having, question number 4 from exercise 16.2, sorry 16.1, A, B, 3, 7 will be added with what number in order to get 6A. The number is 6A. Okay. So here, what the number should be kept in place of B so that A will come, and the value of A will remain same both the way. Okay. A का जो value है वो दोनों जगह same होना चाहिए. Suppose if we are going to take 1 in place of B, so 7 plus 1 is 8. If we are taking again 8 over here, so 8 and here 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again 11 is not coming, here we want 6. 11 is coming but we want 6. So we cannot take 1 over there, isn't it? Now again if we are going to take the value of B as 2, so 7, 8, 9. It is 9 coming. Okay. As 9 is A, so again 9 we will take as A. So 3, 4, 5, 6. It is coming 6. That means 6 is coming, isn't it? 6 are na. So that means we can say that if we are going to put the value of B as 2, will be added with 7, we will get as 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then this same A is here, so that will be same as over here. So 9 will be here. 9 plus 3 is 6. So this is the correct answer, 6. Understood? So you have to think in yourself that which number should you have to keep it in there, and that's so that the number you will get. Clear to everyone? आपको सोचना है वहाँ पर कि ऐसा क्या नंबर हम वहाँ पर पुट करें मल्टीप्लाई प्लस या इंटू करने पर कि आपका एग्जैक्टली वो नंबर आना चाहिए. सो आपको ये कैलकुलेशन आपके रफ कॉपी में पेंसिल से या पेन से आपको करके बार बार देखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. A B into 3 upon B, A and C. This is the number we are having. So look at over here. B is present in the question itself, in the answer itself. So the value of B we will take as 0 because 3 will be multiplied with 0, 0 is coming. If we are going to multiply any number with 3, suppose 1 into 3, the answer is 3 itself coming. 1 is not coming because here should be B, here should be B. So whatever the number you are going to take over here, that number should become in the answer, isn't it? So if you are going to take in place of 0, if you are going to take 3, so 3 into 2 into 3 will be 6. Again it is not correct because 3 के साथ जो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होगा यहाँ पर वो नंबर आंसर में भी आना चाहिए. So that number we are going to take as 0 because 3 will be multiplied with 0. We will get the answer as 0 itself, isn't it? Now after that when So what will be that number is? That number you have to think. So suppose if we will take b as 1. Okay, so 1 will be multiplied with 6. 6 is coming. If we are keeping a place 6 because we want the number b as back as 6. So 6 6 is 36. Isn't it? 36. तो यहाँ पर ये जो 3 है उसकी जगह 6 आना चाहिए. In place of 3, 6 should come because last is again. So that's why we cannot take it as a 1. Isn't it? We cannot take it as a 1. So if you are multiplying with 3, 3 3s are 9. Again it is not there because b value is 3. If we are multiplying 6 2s are 6 2s are 12. 12 is coming. Okay, if we are going to multiply it with the number 2, suppose 2 6. So 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. Here a value if we are going to take, we have to bring here 2 na. So 2. अगर 3 रखते हैं तो 3 6 18. 18 plus 1 19. If we are keeping place 1 6 7. Again it is coming, not coming. मतलब we have to bring the value b again. Whatever the number we are taking over here, the same number should be present here as well as in the all the third 3 part of the answer. So here we are going to take, suppose 4. 1 is over, 2 is over, the answer is not coming. 3 is also over, then also the answer is not coming. So we are going to take 4. Now let's see whether 4 is coming or not. So here multiplication, isn't it? So 4 6 6 4 is 24, isn't it? 6 4 is 24. Then value of a we will take it as 7. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2 is 44. So 4 and so this is the answer. Value of b and b is same. Clear? Moving toward the next 8th part of the question. A1 1b, that is b0. So here what the number should be added with 1 to get the value 0. So obviously that number will be 9. 9 will be added with 1 will be 0. Then carry as it is a 10, isn't it? So here we have to bring 9. So that's 7. What is this? 7 8 9. Answer is 7 plus 2. That is 9. So in this way you have to think of a number and you have to do. So here we are our exercise is over. Question number 9 and 10 try to do with your. So for today, thank you.